What happens when the internet's favorite motivational podcaster finds himself at the center of a massive controversy? Ranveer Allahabadia, known to millions as Bare Biceps, faced the darkest chapter of his career after a shocking remark made on comedian Samay Raina's India's Got Talent show spiraled into full-blown chaos. From being cancelled online to being legally barred from uploading content, Ranveer's entire business came crashing down, and so did his mental peace. But was the hate really justified? And how did it get so bad that his mother was dragged into the mess? Speaking to Praful Garg in an emotional new interview, Ranveer opened up like never before. For 2 months, I couldn't cry. I was mostly just angry. Angry at myself, angry at how my mother was attacked by news channels, and angry at how some celebrities pretended they rejected my show when we hadn't even invited them. Can you imagine being one of India's most influential creators? And suddenly, you can't even upload a video? Ranveer said his entire income came to a halt. But he paid every single employee's salary. No one from his team quit. And somehow, in the middle of it all, he found strength. He said, I stayed with my childhood best friend. My family supported me. A few Bollywood folks reached out. I wasn't alone, but the darkness, it was real. He also admitted that this controversy gave him something he didn't know he needed, a break. After 6 non-stop years of podcasting, this was the reset button he never expected. But was the punishment bigger than the mistake? Should creators be dragged to court, or worse, have their families threatened for a tasteless joke? And what about those who were quick to distance themselves? Singer B. Prak publicly condemned Ranveer, calling his comments "ghatiya" and refusing to appear on his podcast. But later, he softened his stance, admitting he still watches the show and wanted to come on. The biggest question is, what's next for Bare Biceps? Ranveer says he's not just returning, he's evolving. With the Supreme Court clearing the way, he's focused on rebuilding, stronger, wiser, and hopefully, more mindful. But will the audience forgive and welcome him back? Is this the redemption arc of Ranveer Allahabadia? Let us know what you think in the comments. Was the backlash fair? And are you ready to watch him bounce back? Like, share, and subscribe for more real stories from the heart of Indian internet culture.